There are a lot of people who love Tahquamenon Falls. I think that this hike between the two falls is amazing because it does let you get out here by yourself a little bit and have more of a quiet moment along the falls. And I think that's just as important as also seeing the spectacle that's the falls. I like taking the lower falls to the upper falls because I feel like the restaurant and the brewery is like the reward for a hike well done. So now we're here. We're gonna do this loop before heading that way to go up the falls. When was the last time you were here?
I'd say elementary school for sure. So very different experience for me as a small child than doing an adventure like this.
In all the falls, upper, lower, doesn't matter. This section right here is my favorite. I like that it's kind of like a three-step cascade. And every time I've been here, it's been completely different. I couldn't have picked a better day to want to hike a few miles. This temperature is perfect. This is the beginning of our actual trail now. So I don't even know if you know this yet, but do you know that this is a section of the North Country Trail?
I know now, and that makes me excited because I like finding out that I'm on the North Country Trail.
Follow the blue blazes. Bye, friend. We're going that way, so it's upper falls. That way we've got 3 miles. Every single time we're on the North Country Trail, I love that they took the time to make sure that it was going past some of the most iconic spots that we have in the UP, because I like to think of a through hiker getting to experience all of these different things for the first time. And then of course me, I like to do it in sections. We've got 1 mile left. Oof, 1 me. Do you have a strategy that goes into like a shorter 5 or 6 mile hike like today?
Well, I always bring a bit too much water and probably way too many snacks, but I'd rather be safe than sorry, and I pack light, even though I just said that. I feel like I've figured out my bag situation over the last year and a half. It's important to look up once in a while because, yeah, if you get so focused on I'm hiking and I'm doing this and that, then you forget to kind of look up and see all the beauty around you. Just to come up on something that so many people have passed over hundreds and hundreds of years, it's a very cool, silent moment where you're seeing living history, and I love that. We just did 6 miles, 14,000 steps.